Back in 2016, Code of Bell founder Shiro Suzuki launched his innovative carrywear line as a sort of new wave backpack alternative. Designed to function as a wearable extension of your pockets, the collection eschewed excess storage capacity and the pursuit of purpose-built efficiency. These days, Code of Bell makes a great many bags that are worth your consideration. However, the CrossPod Sling is one offering that's proven particularly popular, regularly selling out almost as soon as the brand tops up on its supply. Does the bag live up to the hype? Has Code of Bell proven successful in its directive? Let's take a closer look and find out. Upon seeing the CrossPod for the first time, you're immediately struck by just how much is going on with the Sling. There are no two ways about it. It's an undeniably busy bag that's overbuilt to the point that it's almost intimidating. Some folks may find it a bit excessive for everyday use. It's easy to get tied up in the CrossPod's many straps, clips, and zips. With so many moving parts, however, Code of Bell has managed to create a bag that's all but unmatched in its capacity, modularity, and build quality. And besides, once you get a handle on how the CrossPod is held together, it's actually quite easy to use. At its smallest, the Sling measures a compact 14 inches long by 5 inches wide by 2 inches deep, offering a manageable 2.3 liters of storage. Unclip the Sling's compression straps and release its roll top, however, and you'll find that it expands by nearly 4 inches, allowing for a generous 7 liters when fully open. Much more than a mere gimmick then, the CrossPod is a bag that demonstrates just how sharp, functionally forward design can be. When it comes to the CrossPod's construction, Code of Bell has spared no expense. The body of the bag is made from a combination of some of the most cutting-edge materials on the market today. With lightweight X-Pack for the roll-top front pocket, Cordura nylon for the body, and high-vis orange ripstop for the interior. It's worth noting that although previous iterations of the CrossPod incorporated a 1680D ballistic nylon, Shiro Suzuki has since switched to a 940D fabric to allow for a more comfortable carry with the same dependable abrasion resistance. Done up in a subtle, matte finish, it's a handsome bag that can be used for everything from quick commutes to day hikes to gym sessions. Though it's a highly technical sling in appearance, it proves surprisingly understated when being used out and about in the real world. That is to say, it's not nearly as militaristic as you might expect, even if it does come with its fair share of Special Forces inspirations. And here's the thing, because of the CrossPod's built-in DWR finish, it even offers some pretty respectable element protection. Of course, with a bag this complex, you better have some first-rate fasteners to hold everything together. In this respect, the CrossPod really impresses. Code of Bell has used some seriously state-of-the-art components around the bag. The shoulder strap, for instance, sports a self-locking magnetic fidlock buckle that releases with just a quick pull of the tab. The adjustment points, on the other hand, feature some durable WJ hardware, while the removable compression straps come with a set of Hypalon fasteners. And, in order to really maximize the bag's moisture defense, Code of Bell has even given the CrossPod some waterproof YKK AquaGuard zippers for the main closures. As impressive as the Sling is in build then, it's also a true cut above the rest when it comes to tactile experience. Unsurprisingly, the Code of Bell CrossPod comes with organizational provisions aplenty. At the back, features a hidden zippered pocket for stashing critical carry like wallets and passports. Inside the main compartment, there's an elasticated mesh divider, large enough for notebooks and pens, as well as a pair of zippered pockets that can hold everything from multi-tools to charging banks. Hell, we could also fit a bottle of hand sanitizer with room to spare. While all of that is undoubtedly impressive, the hallmark feature of the CrossPod has to be the roll-top front pocket, a compartment we use to store a small water bottle and a set of keys. Secured with a set of detachable compression straps and adjustable sliders, it even features some multi-purpose attachment points for use with bike lights, carabiners, and other accessories. And, because it comes with 2 zippered openings, it also allows for convenient access, no matter how you wear the bag. Rounded out by a pair of zippered accessory pockets, located on either side of the shoulder straps, the CrossPod even offers secure storage for smaller, easy-to-lose items, such as wireless headphones and pocketable flashlights. At no point at all did we doubt the bag's ability to haul our essentials. If anything, we ran out of practical carry long before we came close to filling it to maximum capacity. For such a spacious sling, the CrossPod is surprisingly unobtrusive, as the compression straps really allow you to cinch it down tight, and the padded back panel makes it extremely forgiving. As a crossbody bag, a waist pack, or even a single-arm sling, the CrossPod is an absolute dream to wear. And, thanks to the addition of a quick grab top handle, you can quickly locate it and pull it around for convenient on-body access. Like many other slings on the market, the CrossPod doesn't come with any padding on its beefy webbing strap. That being said, on each side of the strap, there's a soft neoprene winglet that helps to relieve pressure and absorb sweat. Though we didn't get to test the CrossPod during the heat of LA's summer, we'd expect it to be a very breathable wear. The best part of the strap, however, is that it's abounding with adjustment points, including tension-locking buckles, a set of length keepers, and some smooth sliding main fasteners. More than any other bag we've tested, the CrossPod is easy to size correctly to your person. Though there's a lot to unpack with the Coat of Bell CrossPod, it's a pretty complex sling to say the least. We wholeheartedly feel that it's worth the learning curve. Shiro Suzuki intended for the bag to serve as a wearable extension of your pockets, and his creation fulfills its purpose better than any other. It's truly a masterclass in sling pack potential. An uncompromising, no-holds-barred EDC solution, the CrossPod pairs unrivaled versatility with outstanding build quality and a package that's as sharp as they come. If you're looking to elevate your daily carry, there's truly no better bag to do the job.